Let me say this loud and clear. The programs that I offer are worth far more than what we charge. And here's why. We're not just talking about a course. You get a complete system that helps you to build an online business from scratch. Even if you have no experience, no tech skills, and no clue how to start. You could spend years trying to figure out how this works. Or you could invest in something that already works, where everything is done for you. The website, the system, and the process. You just show up and follow the steps. Imagine waking up making money on your phone, working just 2 hours a day. No inventory, no recruiting, and no overheads once you set up. Now that's real freedom. And it's happening for people every single day inside these programs. So you've been watching, waiting, and wondering. Don't miss this moment. Drop info in the comments, and I'll show you exactly how I got started. Your life can look completely different in 30 days from now.